She ran into the lion's nose and wait up. He was angry. Who was angry?
Lion.
Who ran into the mouse? Lion's nose? Thank you. The lion hurt. Lifted the mouse to his mouth and said, I am going to eat you. The mouse said, please, Mr. Lion, let me go. I am your friend. One day I will help you. The lion laughed. Ha ha ha. You are very small. How can you help me? But he let the mouse go. Next. Later, the lion was walking in the forest and net caught him. The lion was in a trap. He roared, but no one came. He was became afraid. That night, the lion was still in the net. His legs was hurt. His head hurt. He was very tired. Suddenly, he heard someone say, friend, I am here. I will help you. Who say help you? So the mouse, you, how can you help me? Asked the lion. I am in the street. I can't move. What can you do? Next. Mouse used her teeth to cut the net. She was small, but her teeth was very sharp. Soon the lion was free. The lion was very happy. He said, thank you, Mr. Mouse. You are my friend and I am your friend. Mouse said, you are Mr. Welcome, Mr. Lion, said the mouse. Can anybody say what are the moral of the story? Can anybody